Okay, today we're going to look at radial symmetry. Now, we've talked about symmetry before. Symmetry are when both sides of something are the same. Radial symmetry shifts just a little because we're not looking at just two sides. We could be looking at 4 areas are the same, or 6 areas the same, or 8 areas are the same. We're going to start with a square piece of paper, and we're going to do radial symmetry with 4 sections the same. I want you to draw a half circle, not too far out, on each corner of your paper. A half circle. So I'm just going from one side to the other. See how that looks? On top of that, we're going to add another half circle to each and every one of them. We're going to be showing this radial symmetry with snowmen. So now we have the start of 4 snowmen. And this is a different perspective, a different way to look at something. You're going to imagine that there are 4 snowmen built in a circle, and you're lying on the ground looking up at them. And that's what this view is going to be. So this time we're going to add more of a circle for the head of each snowman. It's almost like you're surrounded by snowmen. Hopefully they don't topple down on top of you, right? Now it's called radial symmetry because you can tell we've drawn the same thing in each one of the 4 corners. Now it's up to you to give each one of those snowmen a face, and they can be different. It's actually more fun, I think, when they are. But you want to keep in mind that they are looking down at you. So that perspective would be that he is looking down. Oops, I made her cross-eyed. That's okay. We can add some buttons if we want, or maybe some bows. Add scarves if we want. Add some hats. Or earmuffs. Maybe we'll add a little bonnet on her, since it's a female one, a girl, snow person. Maybe I'll even make it striped, and that way that line will make sense, right? I hope this one doesn't have a face yet. I'm going to give some lines on this. Maybe this one. He's actually asleep. Dreaming away. And this one. Showing a little overlap there with his hat. Maybe I'll even put a tie on him. We'll make it look like he's wearing a coat. Can snowmen wear a coat, you think? I think they can if we want them to. And of course they need some arms. Make sure that we're not just drawing lines. We're drawing shapes for those arms. And I can even, if I want to, put a mitten on my little snow lady here. So all we have left to do now is add some color.